Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we can start our last topic of unit number 4, food and diet. Our last topic is using teeth. In this topic we can discuss the different types of teeth and their functions. Now we can start our topic. Teeth are the important part of your body. It helps us to chew and eat food. It also helps us to speak clearly. Let us learn more about teeth. You look at your teeth in a mirror and notice that the teeth in your mouth are the different shapes and sizes. We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has a different purpose, such as cut, tear, grind, and chew food. Now look at this diagram. And now look at the front 4 teeth in the both lower and upper jaw. These are incisors. And look at the sharp pointed teeth on each jaw. These are canines. And the next of each canines are premolar, and there are the 4 premolar in each jaw. Next is, look at the last 3 teeth on the both side of the each jaw is molars. Human mouth has 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. Now look at this green box. In this green box we can discuss the 3 functions of teeth. Teeth help us chew, tear and grind food. Teeth also support to our mouth muscle to keep them in place. Teeth help us speak clearly. Animals have 4 main types of teeth: canines, incisors, molars and premolars. Not all the animals have all 4 types of teeth. An animal teeth are suited on the type of food it eats. Now move to the next page. On the next page we can discuss the different types of teeth one by one in detail. The first one is canines. Canines are long and sharp. They are good for tearing meat. Animals that kill the other animals need healthy canine teeth. Foxes and bulls have sharp canines. Now the next is incisors. Incisors are large and strong. They are used for biting, cutting and holding food. Humans have 8 incisors. They are the large teeth at the front of the mouth, and horses have 12 incisors. Now move to the next page. The next is molars. Molars are flatter and wider than canines and incisor. They are used for chewing food. Because plants are hard to digest, herbivores have molars that break the food down before it is swallowed. The next is premolar. Premolar are found between canines and molars. They crush food before it gets to the molars. Now look at the structure of teeth. This part of teeth we called it crown, and this is root. Now look at this green box. In this green box we can discuss how we take care of our teeth. First is brush your teeth properly twice a day. Number 2, don't have too many sweets. Number 3, let a dentist examine your teeth regularly. Now move to the next page and look at this box. Did you know? An elephant tucks or incisor. Elephant also have molars but no canines. Now look at this question answers. The first one is, for what 2 reasons do animals need food? Second is, are most carnivores herbivores? The humans are carnivores, herbivores or omnivores. So you can read the first topic and you will get the answers. Number 3 is, what are the 4 main types of teeth that animal have? We can discuss it. These are canines, molars, premolars and incisors. Number 4 is, what type of teeth are important for the following types of animals? Carnivores and herbivores. Canines are important for carnivores. Molar and premolar are important for herbivores. Now the next one is, why do some teeth have different shapes? So the answer is, help us eat different kinds of food. Next is crossword puzzles. Number 1 is helping in crushing food. So you can write the name of the type of teeth that helping in crushing food on the first puzzle box. It's premolar. The second is long and sharp, good for tearing food. It's canine. Number 3, used for chewing food and breaking it down. It's molar. Number 4, large and strong, help in biting and cutting food. It's incisor. So you can do it all this work on your registers. Now best of luck. Allah Hafiz.